Hi, I'm Mrs. McGann. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you my foolproof method of cooking steamed white rice, which we also called Sinaing in Tagalog. I remember when I was in Philippines, we used to eat rice 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yes, every single day. That's right. So today, I'm going to show you how to cook steamed white rice without using a rice cooker. All right, let's begin. But first, let's grab our white rice. This is just jasmine rice. You can get any type of white rice. That's one. That's two. This is super simple, you guys. So we're gonna go to the sink and rinse off the rice. Okay, first we're gonna rinse it off using cold water. Okay, so we're just gonna squeeze and rinse the rice with cold water. Okay. Okay. Couple more. See, it's still cloudy. We're gonna rinse until we get it to a clear, until we can see the rice in the bottom. Usually about 3 to 4 times. All right, we're going for the third rinse. You can see it's getting a little lighter now. I can almost see the rice already underneath. I'm gonna go for a fourth one. Okay, one more. I think we're good with this. So now I'm just going to put it all here. Okay, I got as much as I can. Making sure there's no water there, so we'll have the right amount of water. So my ratio for water is going to be 1:1.5 cup of water. So we got 2 cups of rice. So now I'm going to be using 3 cups of cold water, or just the regular tap water. As long as it's not warm or hot. That's 2 cups. Oops, I lost some water from the, I dropped some water. All right, that's 2 cups, 1 more cup. There you go. So we got 3 cups total. And I'm just gonna shake it a little bit so it's all even. See how clear now you can see the rice in the bottom? So that's great. So 4 rinses for this rice. It probably depends on what kind of rice you got. So for me, it took me 4 times before it gets clear like this. Let's take this to our stove here and we're gonna cover it. We're gonna set the stove to high heat. This is a very basic sinaing. So no seasoning at all, no salt, no nothing. If you want to explore more later, you can add, your own flavor. But for us, we grew up eating basic plain sinaing because we have a lot of dishes that goes with our sinaing, or we call it ulam. So usually our ulam would be adobo, which is very, very flavorful. So we don't really have to flavor our rice because we always have great ulam to go with our rice. So we're gonna bring this to a boil, and once it boils, we're gonna turn the heat to super, super low and simmer it down for 20 minutes. And for that entire 20 minutes, we're not opening the lid. We can open the lid and check now if it's boiling, but after it boils, you cannot open the lid anymore, okay? So let's check it if it's about to boil. Ooh, look at that. It's bubbling. So you want it to go to a hard boil, almost like the water is going up, almost like going out of the pot. You can actually hear the lid. I can hear the lid. There you go. Now, as soon as I open it, you see I turn the heat low because I know it's gonna overflow. So just put it to the lowest it can go. Now we're gonna set the timer to 20 minutes. So usually at this point, I'll be like cooking something else while I'm waiting for the rice. I usually put the rice on first because I know it takes at least 20 minutes to cook the sinaing. So at this point, I would be cooking whatever ulam or the dishes or dish that goes to our rice. And that's kind of like the timeline that I do when I cook. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to cook this sinaing or steamed white rice. So I'll be right back in 20 minutes. 5 more minutes to go. So I'm just going to hang out here and kind of show with you right away exactly how it looks like. That's Ezra. Ezra, what's up? What do you want, baby girl? Yeah? You want some snacks? You got snacks there. Go, yeah? Go grab it. She's talking. She's very talkative. Anyways, we're gonna go check it in a few minutes. I'm excited to show you guys. Yay, it's time! 20 minutes is up. Okay, we're gonna open it. Look at that perfect sinaing, you guys. And look how fluffy it is. Look at that. And I'm gonna get this beautiful steamed rice closer to you. How nice and fluffy this sinaing. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Perfect steamed white rice. Perfect timing for Mr. McGann. Look at that.
That is perfectly cooked rice.
Ooh. Thanks.
Nice and light and fluffy. It's not stuck together. It's not dense. Perfect steamed rice. Perfect sinaing.
Sinaing. Sophie wants some sinaing. Do you want something for that sinaing pa? Oh, she's getting some sinaing too. Look at that. Everyone eats. You're just eating rice with nothing in it. I was just gonna eat it with sardines. Don't say that. There's a lot of Filipinos watching this video. We eat sardines. We love eating sardines.
There's one Irish guy in this, and we don't.
All right, I'm ready for my sinaing with sardines.